to implement it. Okay, so what you need to do is that first of all you are going to implement water jug problem using breadth first search. In that, what you need to do is that first of all initialize two variables x and y. You know what are the possible values of x and what are the possible values of y. Now, what you need to do is you need to write down all 12 rules and then apply breadth first search technique to solve the water jug problem. Okay. The second task is the same one, depth first search problem. So initialize X and Y and then use depth first search procedure. In both of the programs, you need to write all the rules. See, there are 12 rules, but you can eliminate the rules which we were not using. So only 6 rules need to be written, the one which are very useful and we are using every now and then to solve water jug problem. The rest of the 6 rules you can eliminate it. So in both the programs, in both the cases, breadth first search and depth first search, you need to write that rules for solving the problem. In depth first search procedure, I would require a recursive call, because we when we were going through the algorithm saw that depth first search is a recursive algorithm. So I must see a recursive call in the first search solution. Okay, those two algorithms needs to be implemented by the end of the lab. In between, I will not be disturbing you guys. You need to stay in the lab for next 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'll check for the breadth first search solution. Okay, BFS. So after 1 hour, I'll ask you that anybody of you has implemented breadth first search solution. In this you can implement in Python language. It is not necessary that you implement in Prolog or anyone, but you can implement this thing in Python language. Okay, so use Python for implementing these two procedures. After 1 hour, I'll ask any of you to show me that you have done this particular algorithm breadth first search or not. Or if you want to go for an easy approach, then I always ask you that go for DFS, because there is a recursive call that you need to make only. So you want to start with DFS, then also it's fine. So after 1 hour, at least one algorithm, BFS or DFS, should be implemented for the water jug problem in Python editor, and I'll see it who has implemented. Because my work, I have covered it in lecture. I have explained you the algorithm in the lecture, how it is working, what are the steps of algorithm. So now it's your turn just to code it. Am I clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Irfan. So 1 hour, after 1 hour, I'll take your attendance. I will allow you to leave the lab after 1 hour, but till then, just stay in the lab, implement the algorithm, and meanwhile, if you are having any query, you can ask me. Right now, I'm turning off my mic. After, in the meantime, if you have anything, I'm only present. I'm also present in the lab also. So whatever the query is, you can ask me, student. Okay. Anybody would like to notify? Okay. Thank. So I'm
Yes,
muting
ma'am.
off my mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has doubts, they can ask me. I am relieving them. Okay. After what you can do is that you I have noted down the attendance at this point of time. So AWT elective students can leave the lab, because after 1 hour you people will be having exam. So it's better you leave the lab, start prepare for your exam. Okay. And if it's up to you that you want to go for implementing the algorithm or prepare for your exam, that is up to you, because at least 15 minutes you should be ready for the examination. So if any problem during that, so be ready. Okay. AWT students, I'm relieving it. Rest of the students, if they are having any question or query, they can ask me. continue. Hardik sir is there in the lab. So any queries, then Hardik sir will call me, divert your queries to me, and I'll again join and sort out your queries. Okay. Thank you, students, for having me in the lab. Please complete your BFS and DFS algorithm. I will provide you the solution for in the next week. Okay, but till then, I want you that you solve the problem on your own. It is just slightest coding that we need to do from our side. Any queries? Me before leaving the lab, if any queries, please tell me. Any queries, students? Anybody say yes or no?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am, no queries.
Irfan, I expect that you perform these two practicals and I will ask you that please show us that you have performed it. Okay, I am expecting that you will able to do these two practicals.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, students. I'm leaving the lab. Between any query, you can tell Hardik sir. Hardik sir will call me and I will join the lab again and solve it. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Thank you.
મેં સ્કૂલ આપણે લીવ થઈ શકે છે આપણે લીવ થઈ શકે છે ને મેં કીધું ને તો થઈ ગયેલું વોટર જગ પ્રોબ્લેમ કરી નહીં વોટર જગ પ્રોબ્લેમ પતી ગયેલ લેક્ચર હા ચાલ પ્રોજેક્ટ ચાલુ કરે સ્ક્રીન શેર કરો આપણો પ્રોજેક્ટ પતાય ચાલ ચાલ